Hyundai's redesigned Veloster hatchback is a great choice for buyers who are looking for a less expensive car that's still plenty quick and entertaining to drive. We also like that this little Sportster comes with a dash of practicality, thanks to its unique 3-door configuration and handy hatchback design. The Veloster's affordability and playful nature make it an intriguing competitor for cars like the Honda Civic Si, Mini Cooper S, and Volkswagen GTI. Both the Veloster's name and its styling promise an enjoyable driving demeanor. The 201 horsepower turbo 4-cylinder in our tested mid-level R-Spec trim delivers nearly instant punch when the driver steps on the gas pedal, and the engine doesn't need to be revved high to produce good speed. The Sporty R-Spec is only available with a manual transmission. The Veloster R-Spec wowed us with its lively handling. It's a blast to drive on curvy roads. The grippy high-performance summer tires, taut suspension, and quick steering keep this hot hatch glued to the tarmac with practically no body lean. But all of this aggressiveness comes at a price. The R-Spec's stiff suspension makes for a hard and choppy ride that can literally become a pain, even on mildly bumpy roads. Inside, the cabin has some stylish flair, with a metal shift knob, leather steering wheel, and sporty-looking seats. But just about every surface is hard plastic, and some of the pieces feel a bit cheap and flimsy. We really like the Veloster's straightforward controls and easy-to-use infotainment system. The grippy knobs for the climate control and audio system work well, and we appreciate the large buttons. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility come standard. We definitely appreciate that the firm, well-bolstered front seats do a good job holding occupants in place when taking fast turns. As with most coupes, getting into the extremely tight rear seat from the driver's side is awkward, but things are easier on the passenger side, thanks to the Veloster's small rear door. And the car's hatchback design makes it easier to load longer cargo. Visibility is hampered due to the Veloster's low stance, sloping roof, and small rear windows, all of which can make changing lanes and parking a bit difficult. Forward collision warning and automatic emergency braking come standard on all Velosters other than the high-performance N model, along with lane keeping assist and a driver monitoring system that watches for signs of fatigue and distraction, warning the driver if necessary. Buyers who aren't concerned about outright performance should enjoy the Veloster 2-liter premium model. Serious enthusiasts can look to the track-focused Veloster N, which has a 2-liter turbo with up to 275 horsepower paired with a 6-speed manual transmission. For more on sporty cars, check out consumerreports.org.